This Porter cable 18 inches features a broad 12/5 inches by 20 inches aluminum dual tilting table, enabling 45 degrees left and 15 degrees right bevel cuts for a range of accurate cut angles visible on a scale conveniently and securely situated in the tabletop. An upfront tool-less blade holder and a cam action blade tension adjustment allow woodworkers to quickly and easily change and regulate pin or plain blades. It also includes an upfront on/off switch that simplifies speed control changes between 500 to 1500 SPM, a die-cast aluminum frame, and a large cast iron base that reduces vibration and cutting heights ranging from 2¼ inches 45 degrees right and 1¼ inches 45 degrees left to 2¼ inches maximum cutting height. The saw includes blade storage and a sturdy steel stand. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Tabletop Bevel Scale. Innovative tabletop scale allows for accurate bevel angle readings without having to look under the table. Number 2. Large Work Table. Large, stable die-cast aluminum table tilts for bevel cutting angles from 45 degrees right and 15 degrees left. Number 3. Upfront Control Knob. Controls for on-off, speed adjustment, LED work light, and dust blower are conveniently located in front and top of the saw. Number 4. Variable speeds. Variable speeds for cutting a wide variety of materials such as plastic, aluminum, soft and hardwoods. Number 5. Quick tool-free blade changes. Cam locking blade tension lever means faster blade changes. Number 6. LED work light. Adjustable light provides added illumination to the work area. Number 7. SawDust Blower. Adjustable built-in dust blower clears the cutting path ahead of the blade. Number 8. Dust chip extraction port. Located under the table, the 1¼ inches diameter port can connect to a standard vacuum hose to help keep the work area clean. Number 9. Upfront bevel controls. Large table locking and bevel angle control are located up front for convenient adjustments. Number 10. Uses standard 5 inches long blades. Either 5 inches pinned or blank end blades can be used without any special. Number 11. Large aluminum 20 inches by 12/5 inches dual tilting table allows for bevel cutting up to 45 degrees. Number 12. Variable speeds between 500 and 1500 SFM with the upfront control knob. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.